everyone out there, hope you all are doing great. So today we will be getting this look done. I'll be teaching you how to create this look. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. So I've already moisturized my skin and heading to primer. I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Applying it all over my face. Now I will even tone my undertone areas of the face using a red lipstick. Time for applying the concealer. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 50 Cafe. Blending it again with the Beauty Blender. Now I will set this all using the Lakme Rose Gold Loose Powder. Going to my eyes, I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to conceal the eyes. Setting it all with the same loose powder so that my eyeshadow don't stick to my concealer. I'm using this Nykaa brow filler in the shade Chestnut Brown. So first I will Mummy hurt on me. So first I'm softening my crease using the maroon eyeshadow right here. Placing it right here and dragging it towards upwards and blending it, like you have to keep it upwards, okay? Now I'll be using the black eyeshadow right here, and on my lower crease part I will just drag it and blend it very carefully. Placing it right here and just dragging it again. For this you must keep in mind that your brush is downwards and it's not going that up. As you can see, the eyeshadow is blended very well. Now filling these empty parts right here with a kajal. You can also fill it with a black liquid liner, a kajal or a gel eyeliner. I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal to fill my empty parts here. I'm mixing this with my fingertips very gently. Now I have applied the kajal all over my eyelids. So to soften this look more, I will again use this black eyeshadow over it. And also I will use this glittery black eyeshadow and I will apply this on the center of the eyelid and just drag it all over. Moving ahead, now I will use foundation. I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. So I will blend this all with my Beauty Blender. So my foundation is applied. So next I'm taking this black eyeshadow again, and now with an angular blush. Now I'm taking this black eyeshadow again, and with an angular brush I will draw a line here on my lower lash line. Make sure to connect it with the upper eyeshadow. Cleaned the angular brush, and now I'm using this maroon eyeshadow again, blending it very carefully. Like smoky eyes is all about blending, so you have to blend everything like very carefully. Now I will curl my lashes using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Also, I forgot to apply kajal over my waterline, so I'll be doing it now. And now I will use the Swiss Beauty highlighter to highlight my eyebrow bones. So I'm using this sugar blush in the shade Peach Pick. Now I will apply this same highlighter in my cheeks. Also some of it on my nose. Now I will apply some lipstick. I'm using this maroon lipstick, liquid lipstick. So my lipstick part is done here. Now I will arrange my hair and come back soon. So my hair is done, and this is the final look of me. So this was all in this video. Hope you all learned how to create this look, and also it's just a game of blending and it's super easy. So try it out and do share with me how it turned out. So I will meet you in my next video soon. Till then, bye bye.